Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL in 1 week. To begin, you'll want to set up your learning environment. This involves installing a database system, such as PostgreSQL or MySQL, and a client tool to interact with it. Familiarize yourself with basic database concepts like tables, rows, and columns. Plan to dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours each day to focused study and hands-on practice to maximize your progress. Now, let's dive into the core SQL commands. Spend significant time practicing select statements using from to specify tables, where for filtering and order by for sorting results. Next, explore aggregate functions such as count, sum, AVG, min, and MAX to perform calculations on your data. Crucially, master different types of join, like inner join and left join, to effectively combine information from various tables. Moving forward, challenge yourself with more advanced SQL concepts. Investigate subqueries and common table expressions, or CTE, to write more organized and powerful queries. Understand data modification language commands, insert for adding new data, update for changing existing records, and delete for removing them. Finally, apply everything you've learned by building a small, practical database project. To solidify your understanding, take time to review all the fundamental and advanced SQL concepts you've covered. Challenge yourself to write complex queries from scratch without relying on notes or external help. For continued growth, explore topics like database normalization, which optimizes database design, and indexing, which improves query performance. Consistent practice is key to becoming proficient in SQL.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.